In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add gradient color here in Canva. Now, what I'm about to share with you is going to work on fonts, backgrounds, and a few other things. Now, what we want to do to add gradient color to this text is simply click onto the text. We then come up to the color icon just here, and then we want to come over to the left-hand side. Now, if we scroll down, there's a few different default colors. So if we click on there, we can choose any of these. So if we click on one, that gradient has now been applied to our text. Now, if we don't like the color, we can simply come up here to the add a new color. If we click on there, it's going to open in the gradient if we already have a gradient. If you don't have a gradient, it's going to open on solid color. But if we click on gradient, we can then add a new color that we want just here, by choosing this color palette or by putting the hex code of a color just here. Now, if we want to remove one of these, we can simply click onto the X where it says delete color. Now, you can only do that when you have more than two colors here. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to add a gradient color here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, well, click right here and watch this playlist packed of Canva tutorials.